It's the Roadside Boys back at it again. Today we have a Honda CRV 2007. Today we're doing an oil change. This engine happened to requires 5W20. It's important to make sure that your oil matches up to your specific engine requirements. We also need 4.4 liters of oil. All you'll need for this job is a basic wrench set, an oil filter removal tool, and maybe a breaker bar would be handy, but other than that, that's all you'll need. This video is also sponsored by Motor Analytics. Make sure you check out their products. The link will be in my bio. Make sure you use the specific discount code that will also be in the description. Stay tuned for the rest of the video. Appreciate you. All right. It's on shit.
I just want to be able to see you.
Oh yeah. If it ever go out, just press it one time. If you press it 2 times, yeah. If you press 2 times, it's gonna cut off the video. But just press it once and you'll be good. Now you can hop right there. Just get me on camera. All right, hop back up. All right, so now after you drain the fluid, it's important to let it sit for about 3 to 5 minutes. That's how long it'll take for it to drain. And after that, all you'll need to do is remove the oil filter, then reconnect a new filter, put the bolt on, then fill up the engine with its requirement of oil. All right, we will now be taking out the old oil filter, then we'll let that drain. It'll be almost instantaneous because all of the oil has been now drained out of the oil pan. Then we will put on a new filter and proceed with the oil change. Now I'll be using my oil filter tool to grip the oil filter. And I'll be turning counterclockwise to loosen it. All right, once it's been loosened a certain amount, you can loosen it with your hand. Then let that drop into your oil drain pan. Now what you want to do is wipe off the bolt, the old oil pan bolt, on a rag. Insert the bolt. Next, you want to tighten down the bolt. You don't want it too tight, as it will strip down the aluminum casing of the oil pan. Next, we'll proceed with putting on the oil filter. All right, next, you want to lubricate the threads on the oil filter. Then you can proceed to hand tighten it. Tighten it more with the rag. As long as you have solid grip, hand tightening will be all you need, because the casing for the oil filter is also aluminum. All right, and after that, you want to proceed with putting the oil in the car. Put a stick on the engine. Take off the top for the oil. So we have 5 quarts of oil here. On the side, there are indicators that let you know how much oil you have used. Now, since we're going to be using 4.4 liters, we'll be going about halfway down from the 1 quart meter on the oil. All right, so I don't happen to have a funnel on hand, so I decided to show you a creative way as an alternative to a funnel. I have a knife and I have a bottle. I have rinsed it out so it won't be any liquids cross-contaminating into the oil. All right, then you just want to cut along the sides of it. All right, next you want to put the bottle over the hole for putting in the oil. Next, you just want to pour it straight in. Put it on a flat surface to indicate the measuring level. We still have about 1.5 quarts to put in. Now for a final. All right, and that should be straight. Next, what you'll want to do is idle the vehicle or drive it for 10 minutes for the final cycling through of the fluid. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments, and please remember to check out the link in my bio for the motor analytics products.